Welcome back to another video. Today we have Ryobi tool deals. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. So help us out. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. Basically, we're going to be doing tool specific brand videos. So only one brand per video. This is going to be a Ryobi video. Let me know down in the comment section if this is what you like. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Basically, we're at the outdoor power equipment here. This is a setup that they have on the front. So that's the Ryobi 2900 PSI 2.5 gallons per minute. That is a gas. I did not see the price on this, but I wanted to show you guys what was up in the floor there. So $159 for this 40 volt 15 inch cordless string trimmer. As you guys see, pretty powerful 40 volt. Once you get to 40 volts, 15 inches, you're pretty much good. It's a nice machine there. 2000 watt, 1.2 gallons per minute. That is electric. So $199. I'm very amazed with what technology and electric has gone to. So $39.97 for this 35 inch pressure washer hose. It looks like a really nice pressure washer hose. It's a little pricey, but still really nice. 35 feet. I really like the bright green there. $99 for the 16 PSI pressure washer. 1600. I do have this pressure washer. It's really nice. Definitely recommend it. I do have a few videos on it with foam cannons and all attachments. So if you guys want to watch them, go to my channel. Just Toolhead 147 pressure washer or foam cannon, whatever you guys want to search. I have a few videos on that. So $199 for the 40 volt 14 inch chainsaw. There you go. That's it right there. It's really nice. I gotta get myself a chainsaw. I don't know if I want to go with Ryobi or DeWalt or Milwaukee. So I'm still thinking about it. So $159 for this 40 volts jet fan blower. One thing you want to look at is the CFM on these. So it's 525 CFM. Anything above 400 CFM, it's a good blower. Once you get down below 400 CFM, then you're pretty much you need to go somewhere else, because you want to have that power when you need it, especially when you got the heavier loads there. I will be coming out with the Milwaukee review of a blower I got, so look for that video out soon, maybe this week or next week. You got a 40 volt string trimmer with a jet fan blower, 15 inch and 525 CFM, like you guys see there. That's a good one. And then you got the electronic sprayer, half a gallon, 18 volts, $349. So it is battery operated, as you guys see there. And then you got the $129 for the battery and charger, $79.97 for the power cleaner. That's the battery and charger there, 30-minute charger, 4 amp hour battery. And that's the power cleaner there, 320 psi. And that's the chemical nozzle kit, 18 volt, or for that power cleaner. $119 for the 18 volt string trimmer and blower combo. This is for a really small yard. This is not powerful whatsoever. So if you got a medium-sized yard, small to medium-sized yard, I would not touch this. That's only for a really small patio. $19.97. You got a 3-pack of a 0.80, 0.08, and a 0.05 spools for the string trimmers. For people that don't know how to wind their own string, I prefer to wind my own string, because I go through that like crazy. I have a big yard. Just buy a big spool and save the money there. So, and then you got the 280 CFM. This is the smaller one. Jet fan blower there. And then you got the chainsaw, $129, 10 inch cordless chainsaw. If you guys have this chainsaw, let me know down in the comment section if you see what you guys think about it. Like I said, I want to purchase a chainsaw basically. So $149 for this brushless blower is the 350 CFM. $149 for this 13 inch string trimmer and edger. It is on the 18 volt. So if you already got the batteries, you got a smaller yard, that's the way to go. And then you got this push mower for $299. It does have a bag on the back, so it's a gas powered 20 inch deck. So $199 for this impact driver and drill driver combo. This used to be on sale for the Black Friday deals for like $129, or I think so, $129 or $139. So that's it for today. Just a short video. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one.